Yes. And that is exactly the reason why embodying this plantness, your plantness, is so important, because we have, again, codified relationships and communication. You say these words, I respond with these words. You give me these facial expressions, I respond. I've been watching body analysis on YouTube. I don't know why, just because it's curious. And it's so, I get the reason why they want to do it, but that proves the codification that we have. If your eyebrow goes up this way, it means this. If you look this way. Instead, when you start entering into your plant mind, into your non-human logic, you're going to realize that communication is so much broader. And therefore, your relationships with people are going to be based on the interaction with that person, whether it's a plant person, an animal person, a human person, or a rock person. And it's going to be based on that rather than on these codified lists that, honestly, most of the time, we don't even double check. We just assume, oh, you meant that.